Everyone is freaking out that AI is going to steal their jobs or make some of the jobs obsolete in next few years. Although this is true to some extent, but here is something nobody is telling you about. The CEO of Nvidia, Jensen Huang, one of the most powerful men in AI, said it himself. AI has no possibility of doing what we do. And yes, the most famous one right now, you won't lose your job to AI, you will lose it to someone who knows how to use AI. That is the actual threat. So what are the skills AI cannot literally replicate? The same old critical and creative thinking. So understanding the math behind this is very simple. AI can write an essay, but it cannot question whether the essay should be. AI can generate ideas, but it cannot know whether the idea is worth pursuing or not. AI can process information, but it cannot feel when something is wrong. You need to think of it like this. It is not AI versus humans. It is really a partnership. So if you're a student right now, here is your roadmap. Stop memorizing, start questioning. Stop copying, start creating something. You can use AI to do the grunt work and spend your energy on the ideas it cannot generate. So what you can do next? Don't think of AI as your enemy. It is not your replacement. It is a tool, and right now most people are scared of it instead of mastering it. Be the person who uses AI instead of being replaced by someone who does. The age of AI is not the end of human potential. It is the beginning of it. I will leave you with this. The world doesn't need more people who can Google answers. It needs people who can question them. People who can critique and create boldly. That is your edge, and you have to protect it at all costs.